welcome to another bright and sunny day. Your girl just got up. I'm just tidying up. The workmen are working already. I didn't even end out the vlog yesterday. Sorry for that. Got caught up in the moment. And so we're working. They're supposed to deliver some materials today. So you can hear the workmen's them been working from morning. And there's a whole bag of noise going on, and Mr. Williams, of course, got his music playing. He's just happy to be able to play his music because he's a man that loves his music and he likes to play it loud, but can't play it too loud right now. Still early in the morning. But we are up and work's been done, and yeah, so it's been a bright and beautiful morning. Oh man. So we are, oh my, so we're just here in that beautiful sunshine. So I gotta finish clean up the house, and then I have some stuff I need to, oh sorry, looking in my ceiling and look, I have some stuff I need to get done. I just had to get up to and send off a couple of emails, which I was able to do that. So, and I got a few things that I gotta get done today. Gotta go take out some meat and stuff and get it prepped for dinner, and just keeping busy and getting things done because I said we didn't come, we did come to play. We come to play, but we also came to work. So that is what we're doing. And yeah, that is it. So I'm just gonna go get some stuff done, and I'll come back to you guys later. So we're finally getting a little bit of rain for once. The guys are still working, and the truck just came, so material is here. Time for work to start getting done. So the rain is coming down. So this is the, okay.
Mommy, you want me to bring up your computer right now?
Yeah.
Done. Teacher love keep them.
So this is the first time we're actually having rain since we got here. So, and it's starting, but it's coming down. They're trying to hurry up and get the steel and sand and stuff loaded off the truck, but it's not holding up. Oh, it is so nice. Rain, let it rain, let it rain. So that is what is going on right now. I'm actually cooking dinner, so sorry for the lighting, guys. I'm starting to cook. I'm gonna bring you guys along in the kitchen. I started prepping everything. I need to go get something, and yeah. And for those that are new, welcome. For those that are returning, you guys seen this kitchen before, so, and nothing has changed. We still haven't got the cupboard stem yet. We're waiting until the house is pretty almost done to get our cupboards, because the chichi down here ain't normal, and I don't want to be overseas and come back and my kitchen's falling apart because chichi ate down my cupboards.
Mommy.
Thank you.
I need the other knife. Oh, you need to wash it.
Alright, oh, I need it.
No, no.
They need it?
Huh?
They need it?
No, the knife. Maria's gonna put that one on.
Dry it off. So I'm just here seasoning up my chicken. I know, I feel coming out of the way with the big old long knife. So I'm here seasoning up the chicken.
A bird knife,
and starting to, I got some pumpkin, and I'm making some dumpling and banana and yam. And some curry. I know, and some curry chicken for dinner.
Oh,
I need the best one. Curry is Betty curry.
I want bun, mommy.
Yeah, first time. There's a Betty curry.
Thank
so
you. I'll throw out your phone.
this is not my stuff here. Put on some oil.
Which one you? Okay, I'm gonna use this one. This one there? Is that one there? The one there? Mommy, which one? The one here, the one here. So you use the one here?
Any one of them. Use any one of them.
That's for. Oh, catch it! Mirror! Okay, come tap half here. And then. Wow! Knife sharp. It's sharp, it's sharp, it's sharp. Good. Fingers. I needed to cut the cheese. The cheese I break apart. They're moist enough.
Yeah. So what? Look at this one coming here.
You look like Lupina, Maria.
Ja,
This is good enough? Yeah? What do you don't in essence?
kom, vågar vi inte veta om mig.
Put more cheese, Bunny.
That's alright.
So,
Did you get something?
Mariam, you got it on the
Just kala puppy bun. And then we'll be.
Yeah, say it like me new to banana cheese.
Did you eat? Did you eat?
Mario, what does I drink green water?
I think I drink green water.
I'm surprised you got that here. I'm surprised that he went out in the rain.
Why am I have to go out in there? You have to get the stuff.
No, that's why I can't always get it hot water. I'm surprised. I'm not going to end up surprised. I ain't gonna put all thing. Let it go. Burning cheese. You like my little garbage that I made, mommy? Pour some of this. The pop, or you want me to make the juice?
Huh? Give him the pop. Yeah, we're gonna make juice for dinner.
Look on the pot to sit down in the stuff. From when? Stop eyeing it down.
My pocket fine. My pocket about you?
Yeah. What? Mommy, you can't drop it in the stuff. Where's the cup?
You don't know when to do them.
Oh, let me bring the button first. Grass.
I have to go get one second. Put this in.
Mami, ako paling pabso ni na ipatang yung niya ito tayo balong din. I'll help in the kitchen. But like now, you said tomorrow, come tomorrow. Or else for me, I feel no.
Okay, these and the banana are good.
No, do that. No, do that. Don't do that.
I'm going to go in the pot.
Anytime we ain't done for, you just see mosquito.
Okay. Let's see, I'm gonna put a couple of yams in.
And dumpling, do a sauce.
Yeah.
Nice sauce this time. Oh. Oh. Like bubble up along, not gonna like bubble. That is so weird. I feel like bugs like coming around me, but I don't like them. Yeah, it's weird. Probably a whole phobia. Is anything around me? I just need to stop. Oh, can't wait to eat some candy, beans. I'll probably some rice.
Finished. Everything is in the pot. And I just want to put in the pumpkin and banana last. So I'm just tidying up and really washing all the dishes that we used. And just making the pot cook down. Making the pot cook down. pretty nice out. Oh, there's some of our babies. They're soaking wet. I look, it's raining, but it still looks bright outside. I don't know if you guys can see way over that into the field, but it's got a nice fog. And this is my kitchen view. Way over there. That's my kitchen view. Forgot to end out the vlog, so I am actually came back to end out the vlog. I hope you guys liked today's vlog. As you guys can see, I told you it was raining earlier, and you know, say country vibes as what it is. Current gone. So we're all here just chillaxing in the dark. You have hubby over there, well, cock up, but we ended up stringing up our lights. Good thing these ones are the backup lights that you don't require. It doesn't require using current, so that is good. So we have them, and then the kids them are here somewhere around and around. So I'm actually here closing out the vlog, but I'll show you guys what it looks like in the dark. So this is what we are chilling in. It feels like I'm actually outside laying down with the pepper lights. So I came to close out the vlog for the night. We hope that Karen come back in the morning, or maybe later on tonight. So yeah, I just wanted to come and close out the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? So don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the William fam, where it's always the vibes over here. And I guess I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys. Bye.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us and me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want my